Yung mga girls, nako, parang ini-imagine na nila na si Alger at si Christian ang ka-coffee nila. And also the boys, I saw it too. Okay, so now we're just gonna have a bit of a chat with our endorsers. We'll just get to know them a bit more. So let's start with Christian.
Okay.
Now, Christian, I hear that you're very selective when it comes to picking brands that you support. Selective ka pala. And then siguro, diva. I guess kasi you want to be close to the product talaga. So, what made you choose to support Copico's Cafe Blanc?
Yes, thank you for that question. I believe the children of our future. I've been to many places all over the world. I travel a lot. I really like traveling, especially in Indonesia. And we witnessed ko talaga yung strong following ng Copico even before pa up to now. So I'm really one of the people who really trust the quality and I trust the innovation of the Copico brand through the years. So without a doubt, that's why I support Copico. Thank you. Cafe Blanc. Thank you.
Yes. So again, to the girls, remember when you're nagtitimpla, isipin nyo na lang katabi nyo si Christian habang tinitimpla nyo ang inyong Cafe Blanca. Now, for the guys, this is a treat. Maybe Marian, you can share, paano ba yung first experience mo when you tried the first cup of Cafe Blanca?
Napaiyak daw.
Napaiyak ka? May mga ang bang lumabas?
Oh, may gano'n. Thirsty mo. Actually, the experience ko siya dun sa commercial mismo.
Okay.
Siguro ngayon natitimpla ng coffee ko para ulit-ulit. Parang nauubos ko yata yung coffee. Dapat sip-sip lang. So, ang pinaka siguro mas nagustuhan ko siya kasi cream siya eh.
Oo.
Mahilig ako sa mga ganun eh.
So yung parang light lang, hindi masyadong strong sa throat. Oo, parang bagay na bagay kay Maria. Now, of course, let's talk about Iya's preference. I'm sure, Iya, you've tried a lot of different names, a lot of different brands. Pero
yes.
Bakit iba tong brand na to?
Actually, normally, I make timpla.
I make timpla ngayon. Make it tamis. Make it tamis.
Hindi ako kailangan talaga ako yung magtimpla kasi gusto ko talagang maraming creamer, maraming asukal.
So ito talaga yung bagay sa'yo.
I really like it sweet and creamy. Kaya, what's perfect about Cafe Blanc is that yung timpla niya, swak na.
Okay.
Perfect na, hindi ko na kailangan
gayain.
Hindi
diba?
na. Kasi kung ano na siya sa sachet, masaya na ako. It's so creamy.
Okay, so syempre now, as a newlywed, diba, syempre she's a newlywed. So in the morning, it's part of your routine.
Oh, yes.
Oo. So
kape-kape in the morning before mag-workout.
Ay, tamang-tama yan. Okay, now,
papagising.
yes, we have Alger, of course, for the girls. Yes, can I have a color? Yeah. Okay, Alger, syempre, diba, sikat na daw yung Cafe Blanca because of its 3 components. Pero mula dun sa 3, what is your favorite? Baka, kumbaga, you can share. What strikes you the most?
Well, share ko lang kasi talagang coffee lover ako, dati pa. And masasabi ko lahat. Because Copico Cafe Blanca has everything that you will like in a creamy coffee. And sabi nga ni Marian, you will surely fall in love with it.
Kinilig! So you will fall in love with this, just like Alger. You will fall in love with him as well. Now, I'm sure we have some friends here who would like to ask some questions for our celebrity endorsers. So we have the mic. Don't be shy. Okay. Alright, so if you have any questions for our celebrity endorsers and how they enjoy the coffee experience.
Bernardo from the Daily Tribune. Why is coffee perfect for your diet? And what is your diet like?
Oh,
I think si E ang perfect.
You're the fitness. No, actually, it's perfect in the morning kasi nga pang pagising siya. So when you wake up at 4:30 in the morning para mag-exercise. Totoo. Ganun talaga ako gumising. Actually, the Arellano residents,
it's really early.
Parehas talaga kami gumigising ng maaga. Well, because Drew once had a morning show, I also once had a morning show. Kaya, ganun talaga kaaga kami gumigising. Kaya, syempre, waking up at that time, you kind of need something to give you that boost. Kaya, that's why I think
it works perfectly for your lifestyle. Yes.
That's true, no? So talagang, even though it gives that boost as well, minsan ako naman, I like the taste of coffee talaga. Parang after a cake or after. Yung ano ko kasi yung diet ko parang I can eat anything. Thank God. So talagang I follow it up with coffee. So I'm really
Okay. Another question?
Hi, I'm Shiloh from Hitlist. Gusto ko lang malaman for the foreign passengers, ano yung masarap i-pair sa Cafe Blanca?
me. Did you get that? No? No.
Relax. We will text it again. Okay, so ano masarap i-pair? Siguro sa mga, like what Christian mentioned.
Siguro ako gagawin ko medyo weird kasi usually sinasabi coffee and bread. Ako hindi, script at saka coffee. Kasi sa trabaho namin, kailangan palagi kang isip, iba-ibang emotions sa pinapakita ko. So, isa yan sa magandang kapartner ng script kapag nagbabasa ka, nag-memorize ka.
Galing.
Imposible walang coffee kagabi.
Oo, that's a nice answer. And of course, for yung mga non-artista, siguro kasama siya sa work, di ba? Kumbaga, if you're stressing about a deadline, kung meron kang coffee kung kasama, at least makaka-relax na coffee. Oh, Aljur, ano itong masarap ibagay?
Siguro yung sa akin, machete diet. Kasi yung machete diet kasi it's no salt, walang anything na pampalasa. Ang pampalasa ko lang is kalamansi, paminta. So yung Cafe Blanca is yung pinaka-cheat ko na. Pinakamalaki.
Kape lang talaga?
Yeah, kasi talaga ginagamit ko rin siya before mag-workout.
Oh, pampa-boost. Kumbaga, it's the treat for Aljur after
Energy.
Yes, a strict diet. Okay, meron pa bang questions from our friends? Okay.
Yes, good morning. I'm Joel Lucas from The Inquirer. To all the brand ambassadors, describe what a pretty delicious moment is for you.
Oh, describe a creamy, delicious moment. Wow. Kailangan may philosophy. Huwag naman masyadong deep.
What is a creamy, delicious moment?
Creamy, delicious moment.
Can we pass? Really delicious.
It's just simply a delicious, sweet moment. Na it could be food, it could be a conversation, it could be a beautiful face.
Oh,
It could be nature, it could be many different things. Pero mas something that strikes your palate, your heart, na talagang it will change your mood immediately.
Yeah.
Parang yan.
Okay, good answer. Good answer. Bigyan mo ang ano.
Yung jacket.
Coffee. Tatlong
Bigyan ng
sachet
kape.
later.
Bigyan ng kape. Kape na lang. Ako na ba? Dahil nakataas yung mic ko. Actually, close to Christian's answer, can I just copy?
No, you just say
pretend
blue.
you didn't
Copy
hear.
ko? Gusto ko yun. Okay. May nakagat dito. I think a creamy delicious moment, since I actually am a huge fan of anything creamy, is a moment that you just keep on wanting more of. I think that would be a moment for me. Whatever it is, if you want more of it, it's gotta be creamy delicious.
Alright. Makes sense. Even your sports, creamy delicious.
Creamy delicious siya.
Your husband, creamy delicious.
Oh, very
Lots of
delicious.
in there. Okay. For Marian naman, ano ang creamy delicious para sa'yo?
In fairness, sasabi ni Christian na. Iibahin ko na lang ulit. Siguro isa sa pinaka para sa akin creamy kapag sumasayaw ako sa stage.
Very smooth pa naman yung moves niya. So it's perfectly creamy.
And that's every night on GMA.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Aljur.
Nag-guess na ako doon. Kung siya sumasayaw ako siguro kumakanta. Di ba? Before singing kasi nakaka-energize din yung coffee. Sample? Parang si Christian dapat din kasi sa banyo lang kumakanta.
Ako sasayaw.
Wag na. Alright,